The Show Me tab is the first tab in the Advanced Options panel that lets you quickly view the most frequently used layer groupings without having to toggle them on individually in the table of contents. The panel is accessed by clicking on the Advanced Options button in the NavigateLA ribbon. Each item listed under the Show Me tab represents layer groupings that are thematically similar. You can activate most of these with a single click or by selecting the checkboxes of the items you want to view and pressing the Update Map button. Let's review each of these layer options one by one. Default Layers resets the displayed map layers to NavigateLA's default settings. This is useful when you want to reset the layers without refreshing your page. Aerial Orthophoto displays the latest aerial image, also known as a satellite image. This layer can also be accessed from the Base Map section of the table of contents. Construction Activities displays construction activities happening in an area. This includes current and archived capital improvement projects, Bureau of Engineering permit points, and street resurfacing projects. Simply check the boxes of the activities you wish to view and press the Update Map button. For any of these examples, you can hover over any of the features to view a pop-up with related information, or you can click on it to view additional information as a PDF report or in a report window. To return to the Show Me list, press the blue return arrow. Council Districts lets you display individual council district boundaries. This is different from the layer available in the table of contents, which displays all 15 council districts. Like the previous example, you must press the Update Map button to view the results, and the blue return arrow to return to the Show Me list. Infrastructure Sewer Information displays sewer-related layers with a single click. This includes sewer permit points, sewer Ys, and sewer structures, such as maintenance holes. You can click on any of these features to view more information about them. Infrastructure Storm Drains functions similarly, but displays layers related to storm drains. This includes index street plan profiles that appear as red and white boxes. You can click on these to view or download them. LADOT Information displays map features related to the Los Angeles Department of Transportation, including stop signs, crosswalks, and bikeways, among others. Simply check the boxes of the features you want to view and press Update Map. Neighborhood councils function similar to the previous council districts example. Check the boxes of the neighborhoods you want to display and press Update Map. Permit Locations lets you view issued permits as points on the map. You can select the permit type you are looking for by checking the corresponding box and apply one of the multiple date filters available, including date range and fiscal year. For now, we'll skip public way reservations and return to it in a separate video. Substructure Maps displays georeference paper maps that show underground utilities such as cable TV, gas, oil, and telephone lines. Like aerial photos, the Substructure Maps layer can be accessed directly in the Base Map section of the table of contents. Vault redirects you to the City of Los Angeles' Electronic Plan Processing System, a search engine that allows users to search for plans by project title, project street, and plan index number, among other fields. Feel free to explore it at your own leisure or contact them directly using the Contact Us tab. You can also click on any of the street plan or sewer index features on the map to view them as an image file. We've now covered the Show Me tab in detail. If you forget anything we've covered in this video, click the Help button on the top right corner of the Advanced Options panel to refresh your memory. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen, eng.navsupt@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.